Base Brett was taking a bloodbath, and looks like Base Brett is starting to make a recovery. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on a fan favorite base cryptocurrency, Base Brett. This project is going on to do absolutely amazing things, introducing Brett, Pepe's best friend on the Base network. Fun graphics, beautiful design website. It's literally available to buy everywhere, and it's also the top coin on the Brett on the Base ecosystem. All right, we can see the base market has roughly a $1.6 billion market cap, with most of that volume coming from Brett alone at $1.2 billion worth of market cap. Number one in terms of Brett meme coins, or base meme coins. Sorry, I keep making those confusions. And in terms of on CoinMarketCap, for the CoinMarketCap meme coin tabs, it is currently sitting at number 8 at $1.2 billion market cap. And people are predicting it is going to flip Floki, it's going to flip Whiff, and it's also going to flip Dog with Hat, bringing this to a top for cryptocurrency. And here's what you need to know about Base Brett right now to load up a solid bag. And before we do that, guys, I want to take a second to highlight this pre-sale gem that has been going absolutely crazy and our subscribers have been absolutely loving, and that is Pepe Unchained. And in 1 day and 7 hours, they're going to have their next price hike. Guys, they raised $3 million in pre-sale alone. This project, mark my words, is going to go on to raise $10 to $15 million. We've seen it with Solana, we've seen it with Dogeverse, we're seeing it time and time again. Load up now. This is your absolute best time to load up at the lowest price. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy and stake now during pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. They're currently paying a 612% AP. It's absolutely insane. It's staking. It's a Pepe themed token. It has its own blockchain. It's going absolutely ballistic. I made a whole dedicated video explaining why you should buy this video and the whole features about it. And it looks like there's a lot of interest and traction on the video. So if you want to buy it to a pre-sale project that has Pepe theme and has crazy utility, this is your project to buy now. Link in the description below. But let's go back to Base Brett and why you need to be loading up on some Base Brett tokens right now. First of all, guys, crypto markets are starting to recover again. We're currently in 40 in terms of fear and greed index, which is good. We were in 37 earlier this week, yesterday and the day prior, and we're slowly creeping back towards neutral. Coins are starting to get back in the green again, some recoveries across the board. It's very important for meme coins, guys. The stronger Ethereum and Bitcoin hold their positions, the better it is for the meme coin market and the entire crypto market as a whole. The more money in the market that inflows, the more people are willing to risk in more riskier trades where meme coins fall into that category. In terms of Brett, guys, we're down about 0.45% on the hour, or we're up 1% on the day, and we're down 18% on the week. And when we go to the chart, guys, we open the 1 month chart. That's where you get a full clear picture of what's going on. Down nearly 30%. Crazy part, it was lower. It's starting to make a recovery. But here's the thing, guys. I want to make this video ASAP because it looks like a recovery it's coming its way. So if you want to absolutely buy at the lowest price, now is your time to absolutely strike, and I wouldn't want you guys to miss out on this. Obviously, it's not financial advice. Do your own research and due diligence, but something's happening to Brett, and it's going to cause it to make a massive recovery. We're seeing on the 1 year strong, lots of volatility in place. Down 30% on the month. This is your time to strike. Again, it's available to buy on so many different exchanges. It's not like hard to get your hands on. Even a small bag can be worth it. Currently trading at 12 cents. If we rise up to $1, $2, $3, if we get flip, whiff, bonk, we are going to be in some uncharted territories. We see over here as well, Mog, Brett, Pepe, and ENS continues to maintain the top gainers in the last 90 days. Brett being number 2 and Mog being number 1. Absolutely insane. Top 100 performance over 90 days. 71% for Brett. Absolutely phenomenal. We're talking about a top base token, basically holding most of the market cap, is strictly from Base Brett. We come over to the X as well, guys. They've been pretty active, growing their social medias. Currently at 102,000 followers on X, which is growing pretty well. Posting, engaging with the community, getting everybody dialed in. Everyone is so excited for this meme token. We see another exchange listing just a couple of days ago in a new market. Let's say this is in Chinese, could be Japanese, it could be Korean as well. I'm not trying to be offensive here, but BitHump, based out of Korea. Okay, we're on the ball. Based out of Korea, another Korea exchange listing it. That's pretty awesome. The point is, they're doing a phenomenal job in their marketing, and it's really showing on how fast the community is building and also how strong the community is getting. Base Brett was going through a bloody month, down 30%. I didn't want to talk about it once while it's down because I didn't know what was coming next. Now I saw the recovery in the chart, and it looks like it's going to recover that whole 30%. This could be the easiest 30% you make. But again, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. As I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice. That was the video, guys. Let me know how you feel about Base Brett in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? And until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.